So I got this fan light combo for my youngest bedroom. Is a walk-in closet, and it had just a normal light in here with a pretty small AC vent, so it got pretty hot in here. Just got this and put it in with an extension pole, like you change lights in vaulted ceilings because the space is pretty high, but the bulb area on this fit perfectly in one of the attachments. As you can see, plenty of air by everything that's moving in here. It's a pretty drastic difference. Comes with the remote. You don't have to use it. You can still use the light switch that it's attached to, but obviously it's going to turn both the light and the fan off. So if you want to control the light and fan independently, you'll want to use the controller. You can put it in a dim mode by holding down the light button for about 5 seconds. It'll beep and dim down just a bit. The fan settings are here. It also has a timer. It's on high right now, so it does beep. Didn't really do the manual to see if you can disable that, but it does beep whenever you choose a function on the controller, which is kind of nice because it's letting you know that it read the command. So that's off. Turn it on and put it on level 1, which is the lowest setting, 5 being the highest.
Alright, turn it off. Turns completely off, and then you got different fan speeds here. There's 1. Oh, I gotta turn it on. And then you can adjust different fan speeds. 5 is the fastest. 1. I think that slows it down, as you can tell. Then it's kind of hard to tell if it's getting faster or not with 2 and 3, but you can kind of tell when you hit 5 that you can see on it starts going a lot better. You can turn off the light by just tapping it, or well, I'm sorry, that'll change it from different type of colors, and then you can tap it 3 times, it'll turn it off, turn it back on, and then you hold it down for 3 seconds and it'll start dimming it to where you want it at, and then you just release. Of course, it's at the lowest setting, and now it's the dimmest. Now to make it brighter, hold it down again, and it'll brighten it as bright as it can be, and that's it. These buttons on the remote can tell it to a fan to go for a certain amount of hours, or you can just hit the complete off button and it'll turn everything off on it. It does okay for a small room, like this is my garage. I tried to put it in, and that's, you know, that's a 10-foot ceiling. So I can tell that it's working, but it doesn't push a ton of air. But if I leave this going for an hour or so, come back, it doesn't feel as